All right, guys, the cold weather has finally settled in here on Long Island. And I'll tell you what, the last couple of weeks, I've been so busy. I really haven't had time to post any videos. Now, I asked you, the viewers, at the end of No Shave November, I asked you guys to vote. Should I shave the beard or should I let it grow? And I'll tell you what, I got so many votes, and I want to thank each and every one of you for your vote. But the overwhelming consensus was to let the beard grow. And I think, guys, it's really coming in nicely. So we're going to let this thing grow. And today I'm going to be doing a neck cleanup with a product I've been looking at for a long time. So without further ado, let's get to shaving. Okay, guys, fear the beard. Now, I'm looking at about 40 days worth of growth here. And I'll tell you, I'm really digging the beard. And I have to say, I'm glad that you guys voted to keep the beard going. Now, I do focus on men's shaving and grooming products, so I don't know how long I can actually keep the beard going, but I'm having fun with it. We'll keep voting to see how it goes, but the beard lives on for another week. So now it's time for me to clean the neck up, guys, because I want to make it look neat and manageable. I've got a little bit of growth starting to puff out. So maybe the next step is to go to a professional and have someone tell me what they suggest I do. So maybe we'll put that on the agenda. But if you know anything about me, guys, you know I'm a sucker for marketing. And I've been looking at this product for a long time. I've been looking at it. I've been eyeing it. And it's right here. The Bevel shaving system. All right. So Bevel, created by this gentleman here, Tristan Walker, created this shaving system. Essentially, it's a double-edged razor, so single blade on either side. He explains that multi-blade razors can cut hair beneath the surface of the skin, which causes or can contribute to causing ingrown hairs. We know this, right? Multi-blades can be problematic. I've always been telling you guys, don't push, don't dig. Now, this is the old school packaging. When it was first released, I noticed that they have another more conservative or conservation-minded package now. But I like this old look here because it looks like a gift. Nice picture of Tristan back here, the explanation of the product. Well, let's unbox this, we'll pull it out, and we'll do a nice little beard cleanup. Now, inside the kit, the star of the show, is this beautiful long-handled brass, nice weighted safety razor here. It's got a kind of a unique design. It looks like when you put the blade in and you tighten it up, it's gonna curve your blade. But nice little logo here on the top. And again, it's got a nice weight to it, which is helpful because you don't want to be digging. You don't want to apply a lot of pressure. You want to let the weight of the device do the job. As far as design goes, it's beautiful to look at, but I'll tell you, it's a little thin and maybe a little slippy, but we'll see. Proof is in the pudding once I get this loaded up. The kit comes with an overview of the Bevel system, which includes a brush, blades, creams and aftershave, you know, the whole allotment, and some instructions on how to shave, how to set the angle, 30-degree angle on your face. It's very nice. Now, there's some nevers that they say. Never shave over dry or bare skin. Re-lather as needed. Never shave against the grain. I shave against the grain. But this system was designed for men who suffer from ingrown hairs. So if you really do suffer from ingrown hairs, razor bumps, it's probably a good idea for you not to shave against the grain. Never use a blade more than 2 times. Keep it fresh. Never skip more than 1 day between shaves, especially for the first 4 weeks. Take a hot shower before you shave to open up the pores. Soak your brush, blah, blah, blah. Okay, I don't like to read directions, guys. I've been shaving for 30 some odd years. Let's just get to shaving. Now the system comes with the Bevel DE blades. Let's pull them out and see if there's anything unique about them. Oh yeah, so right off the bat, feels like a thinner blade type than your traditional double edge. And remember before I was talking about how this is curved. These blades are probably the recommended blade type for this unit. So we'll have to look at pricing to see if you're hurting yourself by going with the Bevel system. I'll also try this with traditional blades to see if they work. 3-piece unit. Tighten that up. And again, that blade has been bent. So we'll steam up on the neck, but you also want to make sure that your beard is always nice and clean. Today we're going to be using the King C Gillette products. So this beard and face wash with refreshing coconut water. Beautiful. Love this product. One little pump is more than you need. I like it because it's a beard and face wash. So it's mild enough to use every day. And it has a wonderful smell. And you can really use it on your face, on your neck, around your ears. Again, near hot water, a little steam on my neck. Make sure the pores are open and my skin is ready to receive the blade. And we'll be shaving with the King C Gillette Transparent Shave Gel. Designed for styling the beard. My boy, Mark Fuentes, he told me when you're edging and trimming, you want the transparent gel so you can see what you're trimming to. Mark Fuentes, my man. All right, here we go. Just a little bit. Really puts a nice barrier protection, transparent protection on your skin. Now, hair on your neck can grow in all different directions. My hair tends to grow on the sides out this way. So if I'm shaving with the grain, I'd be shaving this way. So let's try that. Let's shave with the grain. I like the long handle. And I tell you what, guys, not slippy. It's got nice balance to it. Now the hair in the middle is growing down, so I'm gonna shave down. I'm gonna add a little bit more gel. Like the manual says, you never wanna be shaving against dry skin. Product is cheap. All right, guys, so I'm shaving downward. And so with that transparent shave gel, I can really see where I'm shaving. Now I want to let this grow a little bit longer than I had it. So I'm going to start the line a little bit further down. My buddy Jimmy G is really into beard mapping. So to properly beard map, to see how your hair is growing, you really need to let it grow out a little bit. So growing the beard will actually help you beard map. So I'm gonna shave against the grain, which will be back this way. Nice mild blade, guys. This would be a great razor for a beginner, a novice. Now shaving against the grain, the hair in the middle of my neck is growing down. So now I'm going to shave upward Now guys, I'm gonna rinse off with cold water. This does a couple of things. Closes the pores, gets your skin ready for your aftershave or whatnot. It's refreshing and it cools that skin down. So it helps get your skin ready to heal, guys. You are exfoliating, you are ripping a layer of skin off. The Bevel shave system. Beautiful, not slippy, well balanced. First blush, I'm loving this. Average guy tested, average guy approved, at least for now. All right, last step, now that I'm trimmed up, looking pretty clean and neat. I've washed up, so I'm feeling fresh. But to keep the beard going for longevity, to keep it manageable and itch-free, you need beard oil. King C. Gillette has that too. It's the dropper style of beard oil, which I like. There we go. Just a few drops in the palm of my hand. And I like to take this oil and I apply it in a swirling fashion. Try to pull it, get it into the whiskers. Ah, that's nice. It's got a unique light scent. It's thinner and lighter in fragrance than most beard oils I've used, which I kind of like. But beard oil will help you beat the itch, guys. Last step, I've got my Cremo Boar's Hair brush. Ah, yeah. This does two things for your beard. One, it takes that product that you just applied and it pushes it in evenly or uniformly, spreads the product out. And it also tackles those flyaways. You know, you get the little curly cues, the hairs that want to grow out of step. Just like when you're combing your hair, you're brushing your hair, gives you a nice finished look, nice soft finish, beautiful, even. There you go. Yeah, I really like this Bevel product. First blush, it's beautifully designed, guys. So beautiful industrial design. I like the weight of it. I like the length of it. And I like this curved design. And it worked well. Nice and gentle, mild razor. Great if you're just starting out. Now guys, as usual, I want to thank each and every one of you for watching. And for those of you who voted, continue to vote. Do you want to see the beard continue to grow? Do you want me to shave it off? Should I go with the Juan Valdez, the Papa Tuttle, the Fu Manchu? You let me know, guys. Or should I shave the whole damn thing off? Keep voting. Let me know. Should I shave or should I grow? And I'll see you guys next time, which will probably be like tomorrow or the next day or 2 weeks from now, based on current trends. But in the meantime, you know what to do. Keep pushing play. Keep pushing play, y'all.